Question 6. Right triangle ABC is shown. Write two expressions which are equal to the length of side BC. So we want to figure out what the length of side BC is equal to. One of the ways that we can figure this out is to set up a trig function. So if we use this angle over here, and the reason that I'm going to use this angle over here is because then this becomes my opposite, and the opposite could be either tangent or hypotenuse, or sorry, tangent or sine. So I know that this is 45 degrees over here. So I could say, let's do tangent of 45 is equal to opposite over adjacent. Here's my opposite, here's my adjacent. This one is the hypotenuse because it's across from the 90 degrees. So x over 4.9. And we would want to multiply both sides by 4.9 to get x by itself. So x would be equal to 4.9 times the tangent of 45. So there's one way that we could write this. We also could use Pythagorean theorem. That one's a little bit trickier. We also could use, instead of using tangent, we could do the sine of 45. So if we did that one, it would be sine of 45 is equal to x over 6, because that's our hypotenuse, and then multiply both sides times 6. So x would be equal to 6 times the sine of 45. So there's two. Those of you that are wanting a little bit more of a challenge, I'll show you how you would set this up using the Pythagorean theorem. So we know that a squared plus b squared equals c squared, and a and b will let be x and 4.9. And c squared is 6 squared. So if I want to get x by itself, the first thing that I want to do is I want to subtract 4.9 squared from both sides. And then the last step of the Pythagorean theorem is always to take the square root. So x would be equal to the square root of 6 squared minus 4.9 squared.